género.
What?
El género. The gender.
Huh?
Just note down. Do you have your notebook?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna share my screen, and you will note it down. Okay. Uh, mm,
No.
okay. So just write the heading El género.
Wait.
Bria, you too.
I'm getting my book right now.
Okay, okay. So after your book, once you have it, you'll just type it El género. Okay.
I don't know how to spell it.
Okay.
Look
Okay.
at the screen.
Okay. Just look at the screen and just note down the title. Okay.
I don't know.
Okay. So the you know the gender, right?
Gender. What? Yeah, I know genders.
Gender is male, female. Do you know? Boy, girl, right?
Like,
Okay. So this gender is kind of a differentiation. Like in a formal way, we say masculine and feminine. So masculine defines male and feminine defines female. Okay. Try
okay.
not to shake. I'm not able to concentrate, everyone. Just stay still, please. Okay. So masculine is he
This is me, right?
in Spanish. Yeah. Hi, Bria. So, and feminine means female. So she is la in Spanish. Okay. I'm gonna type it on chat box. He is L and she is la. Okay, write it down in your notebook, Vivan.
L. Where's my pen? Your pen is pooping.
You guys know pronouns, right?
So.
He, she, it, they. Do you know?
So I'm missing.
Not Bria, not you. I'm asking from Vivan.
I think I'm too close. Where's those? You're messing up here. Okay, you're messing up there.
Okay, so Vivan, you understood the concept of he and she here are feminine, and words ending with e, masculine and feminine both. Okay, there are exceptions in Spanish. Okay, so once we will proceed with the vocabulary, you will read the exceptions as well. This will be, kind of an inhale in your system. Okay, don't be panicked. Just remember the concept. Write down, Vivan, just write it down in your notebook. This paragraph.
In my notebook. Oh
Yeah.
my goodness.
Write down in your notebook. Let me send it on chat box as well. Okay, I've sent it on the chat box. You just write it down somewhere.
You may.
And Bria, then I will come back to you. Okay, Vivan, till you write it down, let me go to Bria. Okay, Bria, darling, you here?
Yes.
Okay, Bria, do you remember the vocabulary we have read this vocabulary before, right? On Friday. Avion, barco, cielo. Do you remember? Should we revise it again?
Yeah.
Okay, just repeat after me. Okay, avion.
Avion.
Avion means what you can see here.
Ooh.
You can see aeroplane here.
Frozen.
Oh, that's not. Yeah, I think your screen is frozen.
Okay, okay, wait. Let me reshare it again.
Big jumbo lips. Hey, why would you say that? That's a big jumbo lips.
Okay.
Now it's good.
Now it's good? Okay, thank you. Thank you for the cooperation, Biban. So, avion. We say avion?
Yeah.
Okay, avion means what you can see in my screen. What is the picture there?
What?
It's a kind of aeroplane. Biban, you just go on mute.
April Fools.
Priya,
Huh?
what you can say? What is avion means, darling? Okay. Barco. Barco means ship. Okay. Say cielo. Sky. Chica. Chica is girl. Okay. Girl like you. Okay. You're a chica. Okay. Dedos.
Three
is not 3 fingers. It's fingers. Okay. Okay. Do you have dedos, Bria? Do you have fingers?
Yes.
Okay. How many fingers do you have? Tell me in Spanish. Just count it for me. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco.
Okay.
Tell me the final number, Bria. How many fingers do you have in your hand? Both hands.
Okay.
Is it yes?
Yes. This is correct.
Yeah.
Okay. So, elefante.
Elefante.
Okay, elefante is elephant. Okay,
Alligator.
football.
Football. That's a soccer ball.
Biban, you go on mute. Okay, kirasol.
Creosote.
Kirasol means sunflower.
Hmm?
Sunflower.
Sunflower. Wait.
Yes, yes. Okay, hotel.
Hotel.
Hotel means hotel. Picture you can see. Iglesias church, right? Do you remember? Iglesia. Do you pray?
Yeah, she does.
Okay. Iglesia. It's a Jesus place. Okay. Church. Okay. Kirafa. Say kirafa.
Yeah.
Kirafa is giraffe, right? You go to the zoo. You see the giraffe there, right? Bria, pay attention, darling. Here. Okay. Say kiwi. Okay. Libro.
Libro.
Okay. Bria, do you have Libro at your home? Do you have book?
Um.
Do you have it? Okay. So, Bria, what we say book in Spanish? Just read it.
Libro.
Very good. And Bria, do you have Yahweh at home?
Which one?
This one. Do you have a key at home?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay. So read it for me. Yahweh.
Yeah.
Okay. Medaya. Medaya is medal. Okay. It's a kind of a prize kind of thing. So whenever you win something, it has a ribbon on it. So
has too many.
you have too many?
No, you have a lot of medals.
Okay, okay. So you are familiar with the medals, right?
Yeah, I'm a soccer player.
Oh, that's good. What do you do? Do you do coding? You do soccer? You do Spanish? There are a lot of things you do, Biban.
And piano.
Oh, nice, nice. Keep going, okay? So, Bria, say naranja.
Is this one broken?
Yeah, say naranja.
Naranja.
Naranja is orange, right? Do you remember? Do you eat naranja?
Yes, of course I like naranja.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So, do you know what is naranja juice in Spanish?
No.
No? Okay. Do you drink naranja juice?
Yes, of course.
Very good. Okay, okay,
Grab some fruits.
okay, okay. So, niña.
Niña.
Niña is a girl like you. Chica, you are a chica. You are a niña. Okay. So whenever you describe yourself, you will say I'm niña or I'm chica. Okay.
Niña.
Okay. Ojos. Eyes.
Oh,
I do his eyes.
Okay. So you have how many ojos do you have? Count for me.
Count?
Yeah. How many ojos do you have? How many eyes do you have?
Eyes.
Yes. How many?
Dos.
Dos. Correct. Okay. Do you have planta at your home? Plant. Okay. Say planta.
Planta.
Okay. Do you eat cheese sandwich?
No.
No. Do you like cheese?
Mhm.
Okay. So you don't like queso, right? Okay. Queso is cheese. Okay. So I think you don't know Tom and Jerry, right?
I do.
Okay. So Jerry always goes after this queso, right? Do you remember? Yeah. So remember the word queso from it. Okay. Jerry always goes like after the queso again and again. Okay. Reloj. It's watch. Do you have watch at home?
A watch?
Yes. A wall clock or something?
I maybe have a wall clock.
Yeah. So it's a reloj. Say reloj.
Why are you thinking that?
Vivan, you just go on mute for. Okay. And Sia. Chair.
I'm gonna
Okay.
check plans. Oh yeah.
Okay. So Bria, say Sia.
Sia.
Sia is chair. Okay. Tigre. Say tigre.
Tigre. I like
Okay. Okay. Do you like tigre? Do you like tiger?
No.
You're not a fan of it? Which animal do you like?
Which animal? I like a puppy.
You like perro? That's
Got it.
okay. Bria, last two words are left. We'll wrap it quickly. Universidad. Say universidad.
Universidad.
Ventilador.
Ventilador.
It's kind of a table fan. Okay. Okay. So Bria, we have finished with the vocabulary. Now I'm gonna gender for you. We will proceed the gender later. Okay, Biban, come back to the gender topic again. Have you noted down the gender?
You mean I
This
should? Yes.
the whole paragraph which I have attached in chat box.
Yeah. Oh, what?
Okay.
ABC video.
So have you wrote it down? Words ending with O are masculine, and la words ending with a are feminine. Have you wrote it down somewhere?
Leave it like this.
Okay. Let me simplify more for you. O
Yes.
is equal to L and A is equal to la. Okay. Just write the simple form.
You mean?
O L A la. Bria, you take the break.
Oh man.
Okay. For 5 to 6 minutes, you go take the break. Let me complete the portion of V1, then I'll speak with you. Okay.
Yeah, done.
Okay. So L it's he and la is she. Have you write it down?
Row 1,000.
Okay. Again, let me attach it.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. So we're gonna do a small exercise with you. Okay. So you know the concept of a basic concept. Let me know. Let me reshare my screen. Wait. Okay. Wait.
I can see. It's too.
It's too small. I know. I know. Okay. Okay. So just open your chat box and write all the words down there. You able to see? Write all the words in your notebook. Okay. They fill in the blanks, and just take the reference of O and R usage in L and La and do the exercise. So for a reference, let me tell you: El gato, la gata. Okay. So where it is ending with O, you will use L. Where the word is ending with A, you will use la. Understood, Vivan? Claro? Vivan, till then you just complete the exercise, okay? And help Bria as well.
That.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Yeah, we can hear you now. Sorry.
Yeah, no issues. Okay, Bria, you're here, darling.
I'm doing mine right now.
Yes.
Okay. So Bria, we're gonna revise some greetings, okay? Say hola.
I
Bria,
can't hear.
you Bria, you're on mute again.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Bria, just say hola.
Hola.
Okay. Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas noches. Say buenas noches. You
Buenas noches.
you went back to mute again.
¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien.
Muy bien.
Hasta pronto.
Hasta pronto.
Lo siento.
Siento.
Lo
Lo
siento.
siento.
Okay. Siento. Only siento. Okay. Okay. So Bria, just tell me what is how are you in Spanish? Can you see it somewhere and read it for me? And do you have your notebook with you as well? Hmm. Okay.
Muy bien.
Okay. Bria, just write it down. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Okay. With the meaning. Right? ¿Cómo estás? And how are you? With,
I'm so tough.
okay. Just write down this. ¿Cómo estás? How are you?
Muy bien is. Bien.
I know you are muy bien, Vivan.
I guess mine keep going to do this.
Mm-hmm.
Connected with what's happening. And Daddy was here. Was listening too.
What are you gonna use for gata? L or la? He or she?
He or she.
She, right? She means la, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it should be la gata, right? The female cat. Okay. Understood the concept, Biman?
Yes.
Okay. So then what should be used here? Dash niño. It should be L or la.
Wait, what?
What should be used here? Dash niño. L or la. What should be it? What it should be?
Frozen.
My screen is frozen? Okay. So tell me, for niño, what are you gonna use? He or she?
Real is muted.
No, not Bria. I'm asking you. Biban, just pay attention. For niño, you're gonna use he or she.
He.
Niño is what? He, right?
Yeah.
The male child. Okay. So what are you gonna use? El niño. Understood? Entiendo? Say claro.
Claro.
Okay. And for niña will be male or female? Tell me. He or she?
She.
She, right? Like Bria is niña, Bria is chica. Okay. So it should be la or el.
La.
La. Okay. Okay. For perro, the male dog, what it
He.
should be? El or la?
L.
Very good. Okay. Maestra is, write it down. Maestra meaning is male teacher. Write it down on your notebook, Biban, quickly. Male teacher. Let me.
Someone can hear me. I already wrote that down.
Okay. Just
Got
open your
that?
chat box. Just open your chat box and scroll up. I have give the small exercise for L and La. You're gonna do it at your homework as your homework. Once we will meet, like
What
on
does
Friday.
gata mean?
Sorry,
What does gata mean?
Gata means female cat. Okay, so
Nino.
sorry,
Nino.
Nino. It's a boy, small boy, like boy.
Boy.
Yeah, Nina is girl.
I'm Nina.
Yeah, you're a Nina, and Biban is Nino. Okay, Perro is dog.
Man.
Okay, and Maestro is male teacher.
A teacher.
Yeah, a sir, señor in Spanish, a teacher. I'm a maestra. Okay, a female teacher. Okay. Do you have more doubts? Abuelo, abuela, you know?
Yep.
Grandfather, grandmother. Hermana, hermano, we have read read it on our family tree. Ray means king. Write down Ray is king. Bria, go on mute, darling.
Okay, okay. I'm on mute. Already on mute.
Yeah. Okay. Reina is queen.
Ray.
Ray is king.
Ray.
Do you know Jungle King, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So that kind of a king. The Lion King, a sort of a king. And Reina is queen.
Leon.
It's lion.
Leona.
It's lioness. Okay. You wrote down all the meanings and all the words, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what you're gonna do is you will go like you will use el and la here, like el gato, la gata, el niño, la niña. Okay? Understood? How you gonna do it?
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna show me it on Friday. Okay, you have wrote it down somewhere. It's in your chat box as well. Okay, and you will tell me it will be el or la. Like for perro, it will be el or la. Tell me what it will be, el or la. For male dog, it will be el. Okay, Vivan, are you able to listen me?
Do you see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
Is it moving?
Yeah, you're moving.
Okay.
Okay, so for he, you're gonna use el. Okay, let me tell you again. For she, you're gonna use la. Okay, for words ending o, you're gonna use el. For word ending a, you're gonna use la. Just go to the table. Write it down.
Yeah, I already wrote that down.
Okay, you already wrote that down. Now you are clear with the exercise. Do you have any doubts in it? You're on mute, Vivan.
No.
Okay. Or for Bria, have you wrote the greetings, como estás and qué tal, with the meaning?